Welcome to our channel today. Unlocking access to your LinkedIn Learning Instructor account is easier than ever. Welcome to our channel today. Unlocking access to your LinkedIn Learning Instructor account is easier than ever. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, this quick guide will walk you through each step with clarity so you can dive into your courses and community without delay. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official LinkedIn Learning website. Once there, locate the Login button, which is typically found on the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to a login page where you need to enter your LinkedIn credentials. This means using the same email and password associated with your LinkedIn profile. If you haven't linked an instructor account yet or aren't signed up, you may need to register first by clicking the Join Now or Sign Up option and following the prompts. After entering your credentials, ensure that you are logging in as an instructor by checking any available role selection options or by verifying the presence of instructor-specific features on your dashboard once logged in. If your account has two-step verification enabled, you'll be prompted to enter the code sent to your mobile device to enhance security further. Should you forget your password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it through your registered email. Once successfully logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can manage your courses, review learner progress, and update your profile information. Remember to always log out after your session if you're using a shared computer to protect your account. By following these straightforward steps, managing your LinkedIn Learning Instructor account will become a seamless part of your professional development journey.